Jack.
Yeah.
It says knock sensor.
You're not making me very happy right now.
Do you know when you look at a car and you just like look at it even more and think, what the fuck have you done? That's not this car actually, but we've had to resort to extreme measures. It's been on life support for 3 hours. We're going to get the car in, the beast that we purchased willingly and didn't even see. Why did we do that again?
Stupidity.
Yeah, there is that. Lots of stupidity.
Is it going to start?
Yeah, of course it is.
I got my little fobby thing.
Why would it not start?
Let's have a look.
We bought it, and it's a beast. Why did the window not drop?
We've got power.
It's alright then.
We're ready. Because you ain't going to hit you.
We're going to bring it inside. We're going to go over the issues that it's got. We're going to scan it because it has got code lights on it. But did I mention it's an import?
I don't think so.
I can't remember.
But it is an import.
But it's an import, so all these problems, remember, perfectly fine because it's an import. Don't tap the paintwork. Don't tap the paintwork. We have got somebody. Hey? Hey,
There's one thing that your car
yeah,
does.
mine don't, because mine are broke. We have got somebody giving us a quote for the paintwork, so yeah, that's going to get sorted soon, hopefully. Just waiting on a price, and that will determine what's actually up with it. But in the meantime, we're going to get this beast in because it's loud as fuck. And I didn't want to really say this, but I'm pretty sure it's got chop springs. So we need to sort that out as well. But it's an import. Remember this. It's an import. All right. Let's see how many comments we can get down below saying
it's an import.
Exactly, because it's an import. So as I turn the camera off, what happened?
I'll give you a demonstration. Exactly that.
We got no juice. Jack, get it on life support.
Oh, we need the mobile life support.
Okay, I'm going to get the mobile life support. Life support's plugged in. 3, 2, 1. Start! That's so loud. What? That's so loud. What? Fucking hell. Upon inspection, we seem to be missing something. Jack, we're missing an air filter, you know.
No, it's one of those Bluetooth ones.
Oh, but it's an import.
So it's fine.
It's an import. Yeah. Anyway, so with this loud noise that we've got coming out the car, we do have a solution to this, don't we?
Yeah.
So, are you putting that life support back on again?
Yeah, I need to do some diag on it.
Clearly, we need a battery. That's evident. I keep looking at the paintwork thinking it's going to be okay. Is that on?
Yeah.
One thing I hate about these cars is pressing the boot switch.
It needs a set of gas strips, remember?
Oh yeah, because you lifted it up and whacked yourself in the
Yeah, I
end.
nearly killed myself.
On this. So this here came with the car. Now it's got gaskets. It's a aftermarket exhaust. We've also got a rear plate. So that should silence it a little bit. I'm hoping.
A little bit.
So the plan today is get this on, get it diagged because we need to see what's actually up with it. He's logged him. He's a man already ready. And then cry a little bit.
I'm gonna diag it first.
Yeah, because we need to actually know what's wrong with it because there is 3 lights on it.
We need to sort this fog light out.
That fog light just falls anywhere. But again,
it's an import.
Exactly.
We're off to a good start.
Bum twitching moments. Oh. So we're on 3 engine, 2 ABS, 1 for transmission so far. That's what the 350 is going to look like right there when it's finished. So this is what we've come up with. So ECM backup circuit could possibly be what, battery being shit.
Yeah, yours comes up when battery's dead.
Yeah, it does. We've got knock sensor.
We'll figure that one out.
Jack.
Yeah.
It says knock sensor.
We don't worry about that.
Yeah, okay. No, we'll inspect that, we'll check it. And then what we've got on the bottom, is it...
engine coolant temp sensor.
Yeah, which we kind of knew there was an issue, weren't we? Because the fan stays on all the time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So, obviously that's an issue. I think that's a common issue with these anyway, to be honest.
Knock sensor failing.
Is it?
Yeah.
It might just be that the knock sensor's faulty, which is possible, because again, it's a common issue on these. The issue with the thermostat and the fan stick staying on as well, that's an issue. I'm pretty sure, actually, Lockwood had that issue.
I think this is still unplugged from the guy who tried to change it, I think, didn't he? It's about to get to.
I think so, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good. I've cleared the code to come back on either
I'm sure Lockwood had the same issue though recently as well with his 350.
What, the coolant temp sensor?
Yeah, I'm sure he did. I'm sure he had the same issue.
But
But
back on straight away.
has it?
Yeah.
So why has the O2 sensors not come up then? Is that because maybe it's mapped? Maybe they've mapped them out. But there's no code in there for an O2 sensor, which a little bit strange. Hey?
They're unplugged and in the boot.
Yes, they are.
They're Bluetooth.
But guess what? Wait, before you say it, what is it?
It's an import.
What is it? What is it?
An import.
But what is it?
Bluetooth.
Import.
Import.
It's a Bluetooth import.
I've gone on gearbox.
Oh shit. What?
Manual mode switch.
So what would that be?
I don't know. We'll have to do a bit of diag on that.
So we don't know what that is. Manual mode switch.
I'm assuming it's when you want it in manual, there's an issue with that.
Yeah, it must be something to do with that. But we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
And it's an import, so it's okay. I think, in all honesty, the main concern is the bodywork, getting that sorted and deciding what we're doing with that. But with that being said, guess what now?
It's an import.
It's an import, but we need to make it quiet. We need to make this import quieter before we get complaints from residential activities technologies.
Well, that code stayed off for now.
Good.
Till I start it up and drive it and it comes back on.
The ABS code came back up when it was cleared, so we think that it's just a fuse that's been pulled, so we'll have a look at that. Now the task is to make it a little bit more quiet. Jack, why are you looking at me like that? You're making me paranoid.
Because there's a few other things.
What other things?
With that, it can still be a sensor, wheel speed sensor. It could be anything, to be fair.
So it could be multiple. You're not making me very happy right now. Quick update before we put this exhaust on. We just bought it out to have some thumbnails, but there's no fucking lights on. What's going on there then? Why is there actually no lights on? Do you reckon there could be old codes?
Yeah, it could be. Or it could be because the battery's just shit.
Yeah, we need to look at swapping. To be fair, we've got a couple in there actually. Yeah. So we'll sort that out and we'll definitely double check all that stuff though. Bring the tank. That's loud. This is the exhaust system that we've got. This is what came with it. So we have got, I don't know if they're sports cats or if they're D-cats, to be honest. We haven't actually looked.
D-cats.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's what you've got. Nothing.
Oh, that just looks dark in there. But we'll get this on. We've obviously got the back box as well. Jack's manhandling his tube, and wow, and make it very, very quiet because it is very, very loud, and we need to shut it up.
It'll be quieter than yours.
Yeah,
because it's got them as well.
Yeah, it has got silencers and that everywhere. I mean, we're kind of lucky that it came with an exhaust. So, but we have found a filter, an air filter, but it just doesn't fit. So we still need to get another one, don't we?
Yeah. Well, we need the
It's like the bracket, isn't it?
adapter plate.
Yeah, it's like there's an adapter plate that sits over this. Yeah, but we'll get to that at some point. Progress has been made. We've got the front pipes on and the centre pipe as well. And then obviously now we've got these two back pipes and the back boxes as well that we need to fit to get this car closer to being completed. Jack,
Yeah.
we've got a tip. It's actually quite big, isn't it? Holy shit, they're bigger than mine. Jack, your tip's bigger than mine.
I know.
God damn it.
It's a shame, isn't it?
It's a shame. Right, so one side of the exhaust's on. Obviously, that's all on down there. But there's the other side to put on for the back box, isn't there?
Yeah. And then we're done.
And once that's done, it's done. And we'll let you know what it sounds like, because I'm actually quite interested to know what it sounds like. It's going to be quieter than mine, obviously. Obviously. I say obviously a lot, don't I?
Yeah.
Obviously. Obviously. But
It's an import.
it's an import. So you might be watching this video thinking, why is there no audio? I can see his hands moving around, but I can't actually hear anything. It's not you, no, it's the camera. So we recorded 3 clips after this of the noise of us fitting the back box and all that sort of stuff. But for some reason, the camera decided to cut audio. So now you see my ugly mug, unfortunately, on the screen. Now we're gonna have to. I'm gonna go out there now and we're gonna record a quick video of just how it sounds, so you can hear it. It sounds actually quite nice, but obviously the clips are lost. So yeah, we're gonna have to improvise, I'm afraid. Recording and stuff like that never works properly. There's always something that goes wrong. We've literally just witnessed some activities in that jitty right there.
Illegal activity.
Yeah, just don't do drugs, kids. That's all I'm saying. These are a lot bigger. I think these are 4.5, 5, and I think they're maybe 3, 3.5. But we're going to give you a little bit of a sound to end this video. But it does sit really nice underneath as well, to be honest. So Jack's going to turn it on.
He says.
Jack's going to turn it on.
Got no air filter.
It's got no fuel either. So we're going to try again. It's quite beefy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a lot beefier than mine. Mine's really high pitched. But I'll just let this quickly warm up. We're back. Just a couple of little blips so you can hear the depth and the angriness. It's weird, isn't it? Because it's such a deep tone compared to mine. Mine's just really quite high pitched, but mine does lots of bang bangs, so I like it. We're going to end the video here. Unfortunately, the last clips did get corrupt, or the audio just didn't want to work. I have no idea why, so I apologise. Now, we will see you in the next one when we're going to sort out another issue we've got. God damn it. Yeah, don't do drugs, kids. They're coming back through. Basically, long story short, they was fighting, weren't they? Yeah. Over crack.
What did they look?
Don't do drugs, kids.